Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Gia. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of the most important language learning strategies when you're learning a new language. Today I'm going to be teaching you circumlocution, which is actually something that we do a lot in English as well and in our own native language. Circumlocution is when we don't know a word, however we go around the word and we describe things until we reach the word that we're looking for. This might look like something like this. For example, I'm talking to my friend in English and I say, oh, I would really love for us to go to that place that, it's a place where we can get coffee and we can chat. I would love to also get a tea there. It's a place that is on the corner of the street. It's the place that sells books as well. And they're like, oh, the cafe. You would like to go to the cafe? And I'm like, yes, I would love to get a coffee. This is also something that we use when we're learning a new language, and it is actually one of the first things that I teach my students that are in my beginner's Spanish course, because it is so important to stay in El Español when we are traveling abroad or when we're speaking to a native speaker, especially when they might not know English as much, so they can't really help us. So we can't really rely on switching back to English. Today I'm going to be teaching you 5 essential phrases using circumlocution that you can use in your everyday Spanish. Número 1, let's get started. Es una persona que. Es una persona que. It's a person that. So for example, es una persona que trabaja en la escuela. It's a person that works in a school. Oh, a teacher. And then hopefully the person that I'm speaking with can be like, oh, una maestra? Un profesor? And then they fill in that missing jigsaw puzzle piece that I'm looking for. Número 2. Es la comida que. Es la comida que. Es la comida que tiene carne, verduras y tortillas. Oh, tacos. Número 3, es la cosa que. Es la cosa que. It's the thing that. Por ejemplo, en el español, es la cosa que uses en la lluvia. Es la cosa que uses en la lluvia. It's the thing that you use in the rain. Oh, paraguas. Número 4. Es el opuesto de. Es el opuesto de. And hopefully you can actually use this one by holding up an object. And you don't even need to know what the word is that you're using. For example, I could be holding up laundry detergent. I could be like, oh, how do you say laundry detergent in el español? Instead of saying, for example, ¿cómo se dice laundry detergent? They're gonna be like, maybe I don't know what laundry detergent is in English. So I could hold up just the bottle and just be like, es el opuesto de? And then they can immediately look at what I'm holding and then be able to give me an answer of something else. Maybe it's fabric softener, for example. Número 5. Es similar a. Es similar a. It's similar to. Por ejemplo, es similar a los pantalones. It's similar to pants. Es una falda. It's a skirt. Next time that you are speaking with a native speaker or traveling abroad, try to use one of these 5 phrases to help you advance in your Spanish and staying in Spanish rather than switching back to English. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends who are learning el español. Adios. Ciao.